This is a quiet update to Google's AI tools. While ChatGPT from OpenAI, Claude from Anthropic, Grok from XAI, and other AI tools are rolling out one new feature after another one this fall, it seems that Google is taking its time. Or am I wrong? These developments are very important for the future of Google's AI, and I will show you why. This is Tomas Chernowski from the tomas-ai channel. At our online marketing agency Chernowski, we have earned our clients over 50 plus millions of dollars in revenue over the past 11 years, and in recent years, we have been using AI tools to improve the performance of our marketing campaigns. And my challenge to you is simple. For 100 days straight, watch these videos, take notes, and most importantly, test what I show you and go into action. If you stick around until the end of 2025, you will be able to use AI better than 99% of people and companies. You will learn how to get the most out of AI for work, business, career, and everyday life. And that's my mission, guys. So let's dive into it, continuing to bring you our latest models with an improved Gemini 2.5 Flash and Flash-Lite release. This was released on 25th of September 2025. And the biggest thing here is that we are releasing updated versions of Gemini 2.5 Flash and 2.5 Flash-Lite available on Google AI Studio and the Vertex AI, and aimed at continuing to deliver better quality while also improving the efficiency. So, improvements in quality and speed for Gemini 2.5 Flash, 2.5 Flash-Lite preview models compared to the current stable models. So for example, the first one, Gemini 2.5 Flash Stable, was basically here we have end-to-end response time in seconds, which lower is better, and artificial analysis intelligence index higher is better. So we can see that the Gemini 2.5 Flash 09 2025 is more intelligent, but it also the response time is lower, which both these metrics are better. With Gemini 2.5 Flash-Lite stable, we can see that Gemini 2.5 Flash-Lite 09 or 09 2025 has higher intelligence, and also it takes lower amount of time, response time in terms of seconds. Gemini 2.5 Flash No Thinking stable it takes very similar time with the Gemini 2.5 Flash No Thinking 09 2025, but this one is much more intelligent. And Gemini 2.5 Flash-Lite No Thinking stable, with the comparison with the Gemini 2.5 Flash-Lite No Thinking 09 2025 is much more the latter one is much more intelligent, and also it takes a little less time in terms of responses. So there are some differences. These are not a new models like, for example, Claude 4.5 Sonnet was released a couple days ago, so you can definitely check the videos. We have it on this channel, so you can definitely go there and check it out, because that's a super great tool and super great model, so definitely go there and check it out. Or for example, Grok 4 Fast. These are higher, let's say, in improvements in these models, or even a new models. But with this upgrade, it's just, getting it faster. The same model is faster and more cost efficient and also more intelligent. So that's a great one. So for example, here you can see output token efficiency, 10x improvement in token efficiency, and therefore cost as measured on artificial analysis intelligence index. For example, 09 2025 Gemini 2.5 Flash 71 million output tokens, Gemini 2.5 Flash stable 93 million, so 22 millions difference. And Gemini 2.5 Flash-Lite 09 2025 70 millions, and Gemini 2.5 Flash-Lite stable 140 millions. So these are like a huge differences between these models in terms of output token efficiency. So also you can definitely double check Google Gemini app on X or Twitter on September 25th, 2025. There are 3 pointers that were released there in terms of what was improved in Gemini app, and we have it summarized here. So basically, the summary of Gemini 2.5 Flash updates is clear explanations for homework. Gemini's reasoning capabilities have been improved, making it much better at providing clear step-by-step guidance through complex homework subjects. More scannable outputs, improving formatting. Responses are now better organized and easier to understand. Gemini 2.5 Flash uses formatting elements like headers, lists, and tables to clarify complex outputs. Improvements to image understanding. Users can now upload even more detailed images or diagrams. Gemini can then walk you through it, or you can upload your own notes and ask Gemini to organize, summarize, or create flashcards for them. So you can definitely try it on Gemini Google.com, which is right here, or you can try it in Google AI Studio, which is over here. So I don't know, we will test it in both scenarios. And also, really crucial one is, my question is Gemini 2.5 Flash for free? Yes, Gemini 2.5 Flash is generally free for most consumer use, but pricing applies to advanced professional use. So for example, if you go to Gemini, you have it for free. It's a default workhorse model offered in the basic free tier of the Gemini web app and a mobile app. It is designed for everyday help and productivity. So definitely, guys, you can check it out. And then we will go to our diagram here. But before that, guys, don't forget to like this video to support this channel, and also give this channel a subscribe and hit the bell icon, since I will be posting every single day till the end of 2025. And you know, it takes a really decent amount of my energy, because right now, for example, it's 3 minutes till midnight here in Europe. I had a long day with lots of calls, you know, in our marketing agency, a lot of campaigns set up, a lot of emails, sort of communication. So my energy is, you know, almost drained. I'm almost on battery 0%, but still I want to deliver, you know, as promised to you guys, and put there another video that's, you know, really valuable in terms of AI news, AI tips, tricks, prompts, apps, tools, whatever does make sense to use these days with AI tools to, you know, get better in your career, you know, your journey, your project, entrepreneurship, company, whatever, everyday life. So definitely, guys, I really appreciate if you can please click on the like icon, subscribe, and then click on the bell icon, so you won't miss any other videos that I will be posting every single day to the end of 2025. And I guess you can really you know, get the value from these videos, because it will be like packed with tons of value in terms of AI tools, AI prompts, etc., etc. So definitely, guys, really appreciate it. Thank you very much. So getting back to Google Gemini, I copied there some, diagram from math diagram, let's call it like that. And I was just asking, you know, the Gemini 2.5 Flash, what does the following diagram show? The diagram illustrates the geometric representation of complex number operations on the complex plane, also shown as the Argand plane or Gaussian. I don't know which one is the correct one. In Czech we say Gausseho křivka, so Gaussian plane, let's call it like that. Key operations illustrated. The diagram primarily shows how complex numbers can be treated as vectors or originating from the origin, and how subtraction is performed geometrically. So complex numbers as vectors, yabada. In essence, the diagram is a visual aid explaining vector subtraction within the context of complex numbers. So basically, this was the explanation. Now, please explain that to me, as I am a 5-year-old boy. Okay, the treasure hunt. The whole picture is like a map, and those dots are special places. The lines that cross in the middle are the start spot. That's where you begin. The lines going sideways are the go right, left steps. The lines going up and down are the go up, down steps. The blue paths, the treasures. You see the blue arrows pointing from the start spot. There are two different treasures. Treasure 1, Treasure 2, okay. The red path, the shortcut. Now look at the red arrow. It's the most important one. The red arrow shows the shortcut from the first treasure to the second treasure. It's labeled to -I. This means if you are already at the first treasure, the shortcut is to take 2 steps right and 1 step down because of the minus sign. So the picture is showing you the whole path where the treasures are and the little secret path to connect them. It's like finding the difference between 2 toys. All right, so it really got me, now I understand it much better than from, this explanation over here. I don't know how about you guys, but definitely this one sounded quite better to me, since I'm, a couple of years from college and high school, so I really don't remember these diagrams and all those, complex maths, equations, etc., etc. So definitely don't do that. But I also asked Google AI Studio, basically, what does this update from Google AI bring? And it was the update. Google AI brings improved preview versions of the Gemini 2.5 Flash and Gemini 2.5 Flash-Lite models, focusing on enhancing performance, efficiency, and cost effectiveness for developers and users. For Gemini 2.5 Flash-Lite, optimized for speed and cost optimization, instruction following, concise outputs, multimodal capabilities, speed. Gemini 2.5 Flash agentic tool use, efficiency. General improvements, new aliases. Google introduced the new convenience aliases latest, Gemini Flash latest, which always point to the most recent model in the family, simplifying access to for developers. Gemini app update, the Gemini app also sees improvements, etc., etc. So it's not like a huge improvement or a huge update, like releasing GPT-5 or 6, or Claude Sonnet 4.5, or, for example, Gemini Pro 3.0. I don't know. It might be, in the future, in the recent future, it might be something like that, but I'm not sure. But definitely, guys, tell me in the comment section if you prefer to use Google AI Studio or Google Gemini, so geminigoogle.com or aistudio.google.com. Which one is better? I definitely prefer Google AI Studio, but I just want to hear from you what's your recommendations and what's your preferred place to go to ask AI question, or to solve anything with AI. But also, if you don't use if Google is and Gemini is not basically your preferred place to go, definitely put there if it's ChatGPT or Grok or Perplexity or other tools. I want to understand you much better, so I can give you a better content in this YouTube channel. So it has some higher value and bigger value for you and for your careers, companies, projects, and your everyday day-to-day life. So guys, it's a really great update, because it seems that the path that they are trying to achieve is to be more cost effective, have a higher intelligence, and also be faster, which is, all these things are something that users actually want. At the end of the day, you don't want to pay, astronomical amounts of money per, some large language model. You want the questions answered fast, and you also want, the questions and the answers having in the best or highest quality in terms of intelligence, the output, etc., etc. So you don't want to, ask for the same thing 10 times. You want it, to be answered on a one go, and also really fast, and also for cheaper money. So at the end of the day, it's a really great job for our consumer. At the end of the day, we would like to have things, cheaper, faster, and more better, with the higher quality output from there. So I believe that's the path that all these big AI tools, LLMs, will be playing around and testing and seeing if it's the correct way to go there, and we'll see which one is it. So guys, I really appreciate you watching this video still here. If you do, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any other videos. And also Google algorithms knows which videos and which themes, topics of the videos you actually like, so you won't miss any other videos that's important to you in from AI world. And also don't forget to click on this video, because that's something really important we recorded for you. So definitely give it a try and give it a go. And we'll see you, and I'll see you with the next one tomorrow. See you. Bye.